Hey everyone, it's Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe Go. Hey, just so you know, it is a bit windy today, and I don't know if everything is gonna be properly heard because of the wind, of course. But I'm gonna give it a try. In case things seem not to work out, I'll simply delete this video. I will definitely won't download it. Okay, so without any waste of time, let me just read through the question. By the way, this is the textbook we're using. I hope everyone by now has their own copy, and if you don't, I don't even want to talk about that, because I've been emphasizing this for quite some time, the importance of having your own copy, the importance of going through these exercises. Okay, today we're doing exercise 3.6. It's a BMI problem. Okay, let me just read through the question and then get back to our IDE. So we gotta revise listing 3.4. Compute and interpret BMI.java. Let the user enter weight, feet, and inches. For example, if a person is 5 feet and 10 inches, you will enter 5 for feet and 10 for inches. So here is a sample run. Again, folks, this is pretty straightforward. Why? I mean, we already have this listing 3.4. Usually, I don't like checking out a solution or rather copying and pasting whatever they're referring us to. But what I like to do is to simply go through the problem on my own and then give out my own solution. Again, that's simply what I'm gonna do on this exercise too, right? So without any waste of time, let me go to my IDE. Right, so basically what we do is, or perhaps we might wanna check out listing 3.4 for the sake of taking a look at the sample run, not necessarily the solution itself, but the sample run. Okay, I'm not quite sure, by the way, on what page is it on. Okay, but I'll simply